Flutter has taken the mobile development world by storm, revolutionizing the way developers approach app creation. It empowers developers to craft beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase, making it a versatile tool for any project. With its fast development cycle, expressive UI, and growing community, Flutter is a fantastic choice for building stunning apps that stand out in the market. Visual Studio Code, developed by Microsoft, is a lightweight yet powerful source code editor that has become a favorite among developers. It has become immensely popular among developers thanks to its intuitive interface, extensive customization options, and rich ecosystem of extensions that cater to various programming needs. For Flutter development, VS Code provides excellent support through extensions that enhance productivity and streamline the development process, making it easier to manage and debug your code. In this tutorial, we'll embark on an exciting journey to build a simple yet functional weather app using Flutter and Visual Studio Code, combining the strengths of both tools. This app will fetch real-time weather data from a public API and present it in an easy-to-understand format, ensuring users get the information they need at a glance. We'll guide you through each step, from setting up your development environment to running the app on a simulator, ensuring you have a smooth development experience. Whether you're new to Flutter or have some experience, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to start building your own weather app. Let's get started and dive into the world of Flutter and Visual Studio Code. Before diving into the code, let's ensure you have the necessary tools to start building your Flutter app. Setting up your development environment correctly is crucial for a smooth development experience. First, you'll need to install the Flutter SDK. This is the foundational step in your Flutter journey. The Flutter SDK provides all the tools and libraries required to develop Flutter applications. It includes a framework, widgets, and tools for compiling your code. You can download the Flutter SDK from the official Flutter website. Make sure to follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Next, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website if you haven't already. VS Code is a powerful, lightweight code editor. VS Code is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. This ensures that no matter what platform you're on, you can use this versatile tool. Once VS Code is installed, you need to install the Flutter extension. This extension will provide you with a rich set of functionalities to enhance your development experience. Open the Extensions view in VS Code, search for Flutter, and install the extension developed by Dart Code. This will enable features like code completion, debugging, and more. This extension adds support for Flutter development within VS Code, making it easier to write, debug, and run your Flutter applications. Finally, make sure you have a basic understanding of the Dart programming language. Dart is essential for writing Flutter applications. Dart is the language used to develop Flutter apps. It's a modern language with a clean syntax, making it easy to learn and use. If you're new to Dart, you can find numerous resources and tutorials online to get you started. These resources will help you grasp the basics and advance your skills quickly. With your development environment set up, let's create a new Flutter project. This will be the foundation for your weather app, and it's an exciting first step in your Flutter journey. Open Visual Studio Code and open the command palette. View, Command Palette, or Ctrl+Shift+P. The Command Palette is a powerful tool that allows you to access various commands and features quickly. In the Command Palette, type Flutter New Project and select it. This command will initiate the creation of a new Flutter project, setting up all the necessary files and folders for you. Choose a project name for your weather app, for instance, My Weather App, and select a suitable location on your computer to store the project files. Make sure to pick a name that is descriptive and easy to remember. Once the project is created, VS Code will open the main Dart file. In the editor, this file is where you'll write the core logic of your application. This file serves as the entry point for your Flutter application. It's the first file that runs when you start your app. You'll notice some boilerplate code generated by Flutter. This code provides a basic structure for your app, but we'll customize it to fit our needs. Feel free to delete this code. We'll be replacing it with our Weather Apps code. Starting with a clean slate will make it easier to implement our features. Now that you have a blank canvas, you're ready to start building. This is where the fun begins, as you bring your app to life with your own code. In the next section, we'll explore how to fetch weather data from an API, which will form the core functionality of our app. This will involve making network requests and handling the data we receive. Subscribe to Tech Studio 24 by hitting on the subscribe button below this video to stay updated.